දැන් messages යන පුතේ ටක් ගාලා when you are ready send me some messages.
සර් මාව දාගන්න.
sure දැම්මා.
සර් මාවත් දාගන්න.
පුතේ අපි
සර්
කියන්නේ
මාවත් දාගන්න.
ඔව් එහෙම කිව්වම පුතේ මට හොයාගන්න බෑ කවුද කියලා. හොඳ ළමයි වගේ hand press කරන්න message එකක් කර දාන්න ටක් ගාලා. දැන් කිව්ව කට්ටිය දාලා ඉවරයි. ඊට පස්සේ අය.
සර් මාවත් දාන්න ඕනේ නේද?
නෑ මම ඔයා දැන් කිව්ව මුලින්ම කිව්ව කට්ටියව දැම්මා මම. ඊට පස්සේ අය තමයි. හංසනී භාග්‍යා දැනට දීලා තියෙන පුතේ එක්කෝ බලාගෙන රීඩින් එකක් නැත්නම් පාඩම් කරගෙන එසේ එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඕනම ඩයලොග් එකක් එසේ එකක්. බලාගෙන රීඩින් එකක් මූලික පියවර step 1
සර් ලිස්ට් එක දාන්නකෝ. සර් චනුකක් දාන්නකෝ.
ෂුවර් පුතේ. හරි මට පොඩි වෙලාවක් ඕනේ ලිස්ට් එක හදාගන්න.
අච්චු පොතේ මේ කැමති තැනකින් පුළුවන් නේද?
පුළුවන් පුතේ පුළුවන්. බලාගෙන හෝ පාඩම් කරගෙන ඕන විදිහට පුළුවන්. Okay, Buddha. Now, Yanuki, you can start first. Yanuki, you are the first. You can start.
Hide and seek. One fine Saturday morning, Grace and Norman want to play with Jane, who lives lime trace. Let us play hide and seek, said Jane. The trunk of the lime trees shall be the when Jane hid her face and Grace and Norman ran to hide. In a little while, she heard someone cry, "Time, time." So finish.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, sure. Now, next is Senuki. Senuki.
Come and dance, come and dance, come fat dance to and come and dance to pat. Sin mother sin pat and will dance and nod to pat. Pat nod to and come and dance. Come and dance. Mother will sing for the dance.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Senuki. Buddha, Senuki grade 2 or 3? Buddha, Yanuki?
Grade 3.
Good. Okay, for the grade, very good. Okay, now next is Pasan.
Every living being has needs and wants. Neither humans nor animals can live without having either needs fulfilled. We need food to eat, a place to live in, and clothes to wear. We also need doctors when we are sick, teachers to provide us with education, and bankers to help us in financial matters. Because their needs and wants are important, very society has ways to get them fully. Economics, some of our needs and wants fall into two categories. They are goods and services. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Now next, Tisuri.
My ambition is to become a doctor. A doctor is a person who makes people feel better. It is hard to become a doctor as you have to work hard and pass difficult examinations. Doctors work in hospitals. Every day they see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their sicknesses and work very hard. My father and mother are both doctors. I think a doctor's profession is one of the best professions. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Now Dilmi.
සර් මේ ලිස්ට් එක ලියන්නක් බැයිද නම්
තව චුට්ටක් දෙන්න මන් දාන්නම්. Sure. Meanwhile, Dilmi, get ready. Dilmi.
good evening my teachers
Mhm.
sir. Good evening my teachers and my dear friends. I am going to speak myself. I am Dilmi Sneha Nimsarani. I am 11 years old. My I live in Jamraliya. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. Uh, I am in grade 6. My hobby is reading book. My favorite colors are pink, white, and brown. My favorite food is rice and jack curry. My family is small. My mother is teacher. She is Didrukshi. My father is electrician. He is Sanjeeva. My sister is student. She is Tisuri. I love my family.
Mhm.
My first ambition is good learn. My second ambition is to be a doctor one day.
Wow.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Very good. Huh? Your ambitions, attitudes, your, the whatever called, you are hardworking and it's amazing. Very good. And next is Dulakshika. 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 You can start.
Raj, teacher asked us two from 5 groups. Sudhir, how can we do that? Raj, give me the register. Hafza, here you are. Raj, thank you. We have 30 in our class. Yoga, that means 6 in one group. Ravza, 6 in one group. Yoga, yes. Then there are 5 groups. Raj, thank you, Yoga, for helping me. Yoga, you are welcome. Sudeva, who will make the cleaning chat? Abdul, I think you should do it, Sudeva. You are the monitor with me. It's all right. I will do it. Sudeva, thank you with me. It's really nice for you. With me. It's my pleasure. After all, we are in the same class. Raj, yes, we are in the same class. Abdul, you are right. We should help each other. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, sure. मैं हमो दागा ना बुद्धि बाइन ने पा. Sonal दाल तीन बाइन ने पा बुद्धि. Sonal हमो दाला तीन ना. Everyone is here. Now Sanuji. Sanuji.
Listen, the student of Ruhuna Vidyalaya visited the Sitavaka Botanical Garden. This is a last about it. Sitavaka Botanical Garden is in Avisavela. It is in Western Province. It has after of land. It's open in Kamani for visitors ways. In 2040, it has a tropical climate. There are many rare
plants and trees in it. There are attractive flowers and colorful birds. There is a look with clear water. Visitors can have about redder in the Ruvi. The garden is opening from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day for visitors. Thank you.
Okay, Sanuji, very
very
good.
good. Okay. පුතේ මේ මම පුතේ උදේ 8 ඉඳලා ක්ලාසස් ඉඳලා පොඩි chance එකක් දෙනවා මිස්ටර් රීඩින් ගන්න. පුතේ මිස් will be taking reading. කවන්නේ පුතේ හංසනි ඕන තරක රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන් sure. now Vimasha.
Next, Vimasha.
මමත් ඇවිල්ලා බලනවා හිටපු ගමන් පොඩක් මිස්ටර් මන් chance එකක් දෙනවා පුතේ because I am so tired now. උදේ දැන් වැඩ කරලා tired නිසා මිස්ටර් පොඩි chance එකක් දෙනවා වැඩ කර යන්න. but I will be here checking. මම ඉන්නවා බලනවා රීඩින් ගන්න support එකක් දෙනවා. okay. You can see the list. මේ list එක පේනවනේ හැමෝටම. now next is Vimasha.
Vimasha, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, start.
we all like to be good children. If we have not good habits, we will not be good. Because of that, we should learn good habits. Obey the elders, be clean and help elders. Elders are some of good habits. We should not trouble others at home or at school. We must help others. Early to bed, early to rise is also a good habit. Good habits leads to a healthy life. We must serve the country from home, school, and uh, so we learn good habits and let's serve our country. Fatima, Fahima, thank you.
Okay, Vimasha, very good. Next, Akash.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, පුතේ කියන්න දුලක්ෂිකා.
Teacher, මම reading දුන්නා ඒ හින්දා මට ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුතේ reading ආයතනයක් කියන්න ඕන නම් list එකේ ඉන්න නැත්නම් ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. කැමති නම් ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන් දුලක්ෂිකා.
Teacher.
Okay පුතේ. අනුජි කියන්න පුතේ.
Teacher මාව දෙවෙනි පාර කියන්න දාන්න බැයිද?
පුළුවන් මම list එකට දාන්නම්. second round එකට add කරන්න සනුජි. හරි. ආකාශ් next ආකාශ් එකට ඉන්නේ. ආකාශ්
School is Sadham Balika Mahavidyalaya. There are classes from grade 1 and 30. I am in grade 8. My classroom is big. The wheels in my classroom are white. There are also book rack and a teacher table, children chairs, table and drawer and the windows. We have pasted many decoration on the wall. A blackboard, a clock, a calendar and the timetable hang on the wall. We keep our classroom beautiful and clean. Thank you.
ආකාශ් finish the පුතේ.
Oh, teacher.
Okay, very good Akash. Next, Adisha Sigera. Adisha.
A very long time ago, all the animals who had tails met together. Each animal made up its mind how it would use its tail. I shall use mine to keep away flies, said the cow. Right, said the horse, who liked to agree with the cow. I shall do the same with my tail. I shall wag mine to show that I am pleased, said the dog. Then I shall wag mine when I am angry, said the cat, who could never agree with the dog. I shall use mine to keep my back warm in winter time, said the squirrel. I shall swing from branch of the branch with mine, said the monkey.
Okay, Adisha, very good. Next, Irushi. Irushi. Irushi ready නම් කතා කරමු පුතේ.
Tink and Terence landed in a clinic. Come on, Tink, let's go inside. Tinkerbell looked around. Inside, Tink Fair Camp isn't out here in the open. We need to stay hidden from the humans. Terence walked over to an old oak tree and pulled back a cluster of leaves. There, beneath the tree was a camp, bustling with fairs. One fair was teaching crickets to sing. Another painted strips on a group of bumbles, while a third painted pretty designs on butterflies' wings. Everyone looked very busy. Tinkerbell couldn't wait to start tinkering. Terence, a dust talent, had to go deliver pixie dust to all the fairs in the camp. Tink, don't worry, you'll find something to fix. I hope so. In the meantime, I need to go find some lost things. Tinkerbell was on her way out when Whittier, a fast flying fair, flew right into her path. You are not going near the human house, are you? Tink's eyes grew wide with excitement. There's a human house.
Okay,
Suddenly,
Irushi.
sudden,
Okay, Rishi, very good. Next, Rishini.
The
Rishini.
horse. The horse an animal useful to man. It is so beautiful that one would like to look at it more and more. It is a large animal with long legs. The horse is not a native of our country. It has been brought here from other countries.
හැමෝම චුට්ටක් අහගන්න පුතේ. ෆස්ට් රවුන්ඩ් එකේ මිනිත්තු දෙකකට වගේ අපි ලිමිට් කරමු. ඊට පස්සේ සෙකන්ඩ් රවුන්ඩ් එකේ ඉඳන් මම chance එක දෙන්නම් පුතේ. Okay, start කරන්න පුතේ. continue කරන්න රිෂිනි.
In olden days, horses lived in herds in the jungles of Europe. They were cooked and tamed by man. They were used for many purposes. Before motor vehicles come, people used horse for their carriages. Thank you.
Okay, Rishini, very good. Next, Hansani Bhagya.
Rusiru, his mother, and old lady are at the bus stop. Rusiru, mother, the bus is here. Let's get in. Mother, Rusiru, can't you see there's an old lady behind you? Let's her get on to the bus first. Old lady, thank you. Rusiru, I am sorry. I didn't see you. Old lady, that's okay. The bus conductor, hurry up, get in quickly. It's getting late. Mother, please wait in. I have another big bag that I need to take with me. The bus conductor, can I help you with the bag? Mother, yes, thank you very much. The bus standard. You are welcome. Could some please give me a said this old lady. Rusiru, here are you. Give your mind, old lady. Thank you for being such a kind boy. You're going. Rusiru, we are going to the hospital since my father and admitted there are a few days ago. Oh lady, oh I'm sorry to hear that. I hope he'll get well soon. I'm going there to as I have to see a doctor. Mother, do ringing the bell over forward so we could get off quickly. Could you help the old lady to get off the bus? Lucido. Congratulations, mother.
Okay, Bhagya, very good. Next, Manuga. Manuga Hari Singh.
My family. There are only 3 members in my family. Me, mother, and my father. My father is in Dubai. He is a manager in a park. Me and my mother live all alone in our house. My mother is a housewife. My grandmother and my grandfather lives next to our house. I love my family. Thank you.
Okay, Manuga, very good. Next, Sanhita Algama.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, start with that.
Suddenly, there was a cry, an untiger cry from Shere Khan. Father Wolf ran out of the cave and heard Shere Khan cry out again and fall about in the jungle. The fool, said Father Wolf. He has jumped at the woodcutter fire and burnt his feet. Something is coming up the hill, said Mother Wolf, and she moved on near. Be ready. There was a sound in the grass near the cave. Father Wolf went down on his back legs, ready for his jump. He began his jump, but stopped it in the air. Okay, teacher.
Okay, Sanhita, very good. Next, Senuti. Senuti Liansa.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Puta,
Once
start.
upon a time, there was an ant and a grasshopper. They lived in a grassy meadow. It was the summer time. The ant worked all day long. It carried food. The ant was tired, but it went far away to find food. The grasshopper laughed at the ant. Why can't you rest? Why do you why do you work so hard? Dear ant, this is summer. The grasshopper said, come, let's enjoy. Just dance with me. The ant did not listen to the grasshopper. It ignored the grasshopper. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Sanuti, very good. Next, Yenuki Akarsha. No, Yenuki Sahinsa.
The squirrel, Bisky Frisky Hippity Hop. Up he goes to the tree top. Wheelie tweely, round and round. Down he scampers to the ground. Curly, curly, what a tail! Tall as a feather, broad as a snail. Wears his super in the shell. Snob, cracky outfit fell. Finish.
Okay, Yenuki, very good. Pute, next, Yenuli. Yenuli.
Out teaching now.
Okay, Pute, start karani Yenuli.
Trees are our friends because they give us medicine, shelter, food, and rain. We take their timber and make furniture. Trees give us oxygen. We build houses using trees. Trees beautify the environment. They give us cool breeze. When we think about all things, we find trees are useful and they are our friends. Thank you.
Okay, Yenuli, very good. Next, Nilanka Madhushan. Yenuli වා තව සැරයක් රීඩින් දෙන්න නැත්නම් ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් ලිස්ට් එකේ ඉන්න තව chance එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. හරි.
Thank you very much for your letter and the lovely photographers. Hope everything is going well at your end. I was little busy during the last few weeks. We had a lot of work to do at school. I prepared a plan to complete at all the schoolwork on time. I was so happy to know that you are a
national lover as I am. You have asked me about the extracurriculars activities that I am involved in. You know, I am a very active member of a national club of our school. Every month we plan a
Okay, Yanuli, it's okay.
special program. Finish, miss.
Okay, Nilanka,
Thank you.
very good. Next, let me kahada gama. Let me.
Excuse me, miss. Penna පුරුවන් නේද?
Nilanka, next chance එක කොහොම නැත්නම් Nilanka, you can leave. Or otherwise you can stay. Let me.
Excuse me.
Okay, Anvita Akash.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
මම ලියු වෙනද teacher?
Okay. ආයි reading දෙන්න නැත්නම් ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන්.
පුළුවන්. Let me chance එක ගන්න පුතේ.
Teacher.
Okay,
Thank you,
Akash.
sir.
Yesterday, the final tree of completion is truly an honor and added more expression into my professional career. I submitted this project on one of the art galleries in Denmark, and most probably I will get chance in display my culture there. Physical, she's saying. Rochelle is hoping to continue her artist journey with her crystal lizard emotion. Goblin, as she has been invited to hold exhibition in Denmark and Milan as soon as air travel become normal in the new normal world. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Netmi, very good. Next chance goes to Charuka Nimsara. Charuka? Yes, Charuka, start.
ටීචර් මගේ නම චාරුක නෙමෙයි චනුක.
නේ sorry Charuka. Charuka start කරන්න පුතේ.
My favorite story book is Model Duva. It is novel written by the famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are
main character.
in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later Upali becomes a hard-working young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much.
Okay,
Right, teacher?
yes, Chanuka, very good. Next, Atma Naudini. Atma is there or not? Atma nahi either. Yes, Atma nahi. Next, Danuli and
Okay, miss.
yes,
Danuli.
Yeah, Danuli.
Healthy food. Finger millet is a traditional grain that is popular in Sri Lanka because of its nutritional value. It is called kurakkan in Sinhala and Tamil. Vitamin B, iron and calcium are all present in abundance in finger millet. It is also rich in dietary fiber and helps in easy digestion. Therefore, it is an excellent remedy for constipation as it acts as a natural laxative. It is low in fat content but rich in carbohydrates, which makes it good for people who are overweight. Thank you.
Okay, Dhanuli, very good. Next, Guani, are you taking a chance or not? Guani, you are
A
taking a
nurse's
chance?
song.
Okay. You are singing a song?
No.
Okay, Guani, start.
When the voices of children are heard on the green and laughing is heard on the hill, my heart is at rest within my breast, and everything else is still. Then come home, my children. The sun is gone down, and the dews of night a- arrears. Come, come, leave of play, and let us away till the morning appears in the skies. Thank you.
Okay, Guani, very good. Huh? Very nice. Next, Gangana. Keshara Gangana. Gangana also is not there. Okay, then Metuki. Metuki Minara. Metuki?
Teacher,
Yes, Pute.
teacher මගේ පස්සේ මගේ අක්කත් කියනවා.
Okay. Sister Situki, no? Okay. First, Metuki start. Then Situki. Okay, Metuki start Karan Pute.
The national bird. The national bird is the jungle fowl fly. The national animal is the squirrel and the game is volleyball. There are many historical places in Sri Lanka. The longest river is the Mahawali and the highest mountain in Piduruthalagala. There are many waterfalls, lakes, rivers, gardens, beaches, and mountains to which foreigners are attracted. The beautiful waterfalls, Dungi and Diuluma are great gift giving by nature. My country is very beautiful and clean. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Metuki, very good. Now, Situki.
My country, Sri Lanka, it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It is small and beautiful. The capital of Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte, our president is Gotabaya Rajapaksa, and the prime minister is Mahinda Rajapaksa. There are 9 provinces and 25 districts. Many communities live in my country, including Sinhala, Tamil, Muslim, and Burghers. The national tree is Nati, while the national flower is blue water lily or the Nilmanen. Thank you.
Okay, Situki, very good. Now, Sonal Deumina.
Okay, teacher. Good morning, dear teacher and my dear friends. This presentation is on the Imagian system of Sri Lanka, which dates back to 300 BC. We Sri Lankans are proud of the many wondrous water managing system of the ancient civilization. We were the first to build water reservoirs to store water, which are now as tanks. Many Sri Lankan kings, such as King Pandukabe, King Wasamba, King Mahasen, King Datusena, King Akbo I, King Akbo II, and King Parakrambahu the Great built tanks on improve feminine in Sri Lanka. The assistant kings followed the advice of the Buddhist monks and ruled the country. This led to the assistant concept of tank and stupa. I am sure that you know the reason why these great kings built tanks. Can you tell me why? Well, it is pretty obvious that the kings had a vision to cultivate the land and to make the country sufficient. Now I will show you a cross section of a tank. Well, friends, I have some more key points to discuss. I need your help to finish the rest. Thank you.
Okay, Sonal, very good. Next, Vihas. Vihas Pradeepta. Vihas.
My country is Sri Lanka. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. It is small and beautiful. The capital is Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte. Our president is Gotabaya Rajapaksa and the prime minister is Mahinda Rajapaksa. There are 9 provinces and 25
district. The national tree is nut tree. With the national flower is blue water lily. Rodhan Nil Manel. Thank you.
Okay, Vihas, very good. Next, Asel Metmira.
My school is Kotta Dhanapala Vidyalaya. They are class from
After
grade
Asel, I can give the chance to Adisha Rupasinghe. Okay, after Asel.
1 to
Okay, Asel.
3rd grade 8. My classroom is big and square shape. The wall in my classroom are with there is beautiful fish tank and there are many small fish in it. Finish, miss.
Okay, Asel, finish the.
Finish, miss.
Okay, Asel, very good. Puthe, Asel, textbook එකේ තියෙන paragraph එකක් වුණත් ඔයාලට කියන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. Okay, next chance goes to Adisha Rupasinghe. Adisha.
Elders. People who are above the age of 60 can be called elders. They are very important to our society. Our grandfather and grandmother are elders. They have contributed much for our well-being. We must respect and look after them very well. Nutritious food must be given to them. When they fall ill, they should be given medicine. Our grandparents always give us good advice. They tell us very interesting stories. It is our duty to protect our elders. Finish.
Okay, Adisha, very good. Next, Sanuji. Second round එක පටන් ගන්නවා පුතේ. Sanuji, start කරන්න පුතේ.
I have fruit. I don't have fruit. Bird sit on me. Squirrel play on my branches. Bird eats my fruit. My beak is dead. I don't have flowers. I give shelter. There are no leaves on my branches. But do not sit on me. I have fruit. I have branches. Thank you.
Okay, Sanuji, very good. පුතේ මම මේ ඉන්න පිළිවෙලට next chance එක දීගෙන යන්න. මෙතුකි මිනාරා. මෙතුකි මිනාරා. පුතේ තව chances ගන්න පුළුවන් wait කරොත්. 750. මෙතුකි මිනාරා start කරන්න.
My school is Sanham Balika Mahavidyalaya. There are classes from grade 1 to 30. I am in grade 8. My classroom is big and square shaped. The walls in my classroom are white. There is a beautiful fish tank and are many small fish in it. There are also book racks, a teacher's table, chairs, tables, a door and a window. We have pasted many decorations on the wall. A blackboard, a clock, a calendar, and the timetable hangs on the wall. We always keep our classroom beautiful and clean. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Metuki, very good. Now, Situki. Situki, are you there? Yes. පුතේ සිතුකි නැද්ද?
අක්කා කියන්නේ.
ඕකේ පුතේ. then netmi කහඳගම. netmi
Negative. Angry is also considered as negative. Negative completion. Angry is also considered as negative completion that has the power to cause you even death.
Okay, Netmi, very good. Next, Danuli. Pute, Netmi, wow, mute to na pute. Finish karada or you have to continue? Netmi? Okay, continue.
Cause scientists saying that anger could be also generated to the cyanide among the injuries to your brain. You saying what you think you become.
Okay, Netmi, very good Pute. Next chance goes to Danuli.
Okay, Miss. Kanneliya. There is.
Okay, Danuli, start. Pute වගේ ඇති mute වෙලා ඔයාව.
Miss, මං කියනවා.
Okay.
Kanneliya. There is a high rainfall in Kanneliya from May to July and again in the months of October and November, making it an ideal time to see waterfalls. The Anagimale Falls is the closed waterfall to the entrance of the forest reserve. It is just 2 kilometers away from the entrance. You need to go a little deeper in the forest to see the beautiful waterfalls called Naraganas. No, Narangas L. Thank you.
Okay, Danuli, there are beautiful names, no? Okay, next Dhwani.
Let us play, for it is a day, and we cannot go to sleep. Beside us, in the sky, the little birds fly, and the hills are all covered with sheep. Well, go and play till the light fades away, and then go home to bed. The little ones leaped and shouted and laughed, and all the hills echoed.
Okay, Dhwani, very good. Next, Sanuji. Sanuji. Sanuji Randiකාට තව chance එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. Sanuji මට කියන දේ ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. Okay, Sanuji ready වෙනකම් මම chance එක දෙන්නම් Netmiට. Netmi chance එක ගන්නවද පුතේ?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, take it.
මට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ දුන්න පැරග්‍රාෆ් එක
පුතේ මට පැහැදිලි නෑ Netmi මොකද්ද?
ඉතුරු ටික කියන්න වෙන එක කියන්න.
Okay, sure. You can. Okay, start Puta.
Negative completion. Angry is also considered as a negative completion that has the power to cause you even death. Scientists saying that anger could be also generate to sickness among to the injuries to your brain. The saying, what do you think you become? However, the truth as physiology saying begin angry given nothing in return, rather it costs you many wonderful things your life. Therefore, think twice before you let angry personalize your mind and prepare the ones
Netmi, you are finished or not, Puta?
who are around. Thank you, teacher. Finish,
Okay,
teacher.
Netmi. Okay, Netmi, very good. I appreciate your courage. Huh? Very good. Huh? Super. Then Sanuji. Sanuji ගන්නවද පුතේ chance එක? Sanuji Randika chance එක ගන්නවද? ඕකේ එහෙනම් මම ඊළඟ chance එක දෙන්නම් දනුලිට පුතේ දනුලිටයි ගුවනිටයි chance එක දීලා අදට class එක නවත්තමු දනුලි chance එක ගන්න
Location, Kanneli location. Kanneli forest receive in located in the Galle district in the South province about 125 kilometers away from Colombo. It is one of the largest forest reserves with a high diversity in Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Okay, then Guwani, are you taking a chance, Puta?
Miss Guwani is not here.
Okay, Danuli, then we are going to finish today. Sanuji, chance එක ගන්න නේද පුතේ? Okay, හරි. අපි අදට class එක නවත්තනවා පුතේ. හැමෝටම good night. Bye.
See you next day. Good night, everyone. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Have a nice night. Good night.